a look. You can actually take it off the stand, which I am going to do so I can show you what this looks like on its own. Okay, here's that little puppy here. Now for me, I have got a little bit of elbow pain. Don't know where I got that from. So this is going to be amazing for me to be able to help repair that. So I do use the P90, but this is an isolated way for me to be able to target areas like a shoulder, which is an old boxing injury, but also this elbow as well is playing up, which yeah, this is going to be amazing for. Okay, so it's just easily turned on by this button here. There are 3 settings. This is setting 0, okay? So as you can see, there's that blue light, that's the technology working away there. And it's as simple as popping it on your affected joint. So this feels really nice because my elbow's been feeling a bit dodgy the last few days. So this is a cool setting, okay? So if you don't like the heat, then that's fine. But I'm gonna pop it up to level 1. So that's nice and warm, okay? And pop some on my shoulder, elbow, wrist, neck, if you want. Honestly, wherever you're feeling a little bit of joint pain or neck pain or back pain, your knee, your ankle, like, you know, there's no limit really to where you can put this. You put it up to level 2, so this is even warmer, and then level 3. Okay, so that's super warm. And as you can see the air on my skin. That's a little bit warm for me because I'm probably a little bit too close, but turning it off, it's got a self-cleaning section, okay? Okay, so no other wand does that, okay? So it's blowing air out. It's obviously going to be sucking dirt and grime in here. So it has a self-cleaning section at the end. So it's pretty cool. So again, Pemphin terahertz improves circulation, detoxifies, but it's also a cellular regeneration. So in terms of joint pain, there could be inflammation there. So that's going to help relieve tension, improving tissue health and blood flow, and supporting microcirculation. Detoxifying, lymphatic drainage. Do I need to go on? This is pretty amazing stuff. I would be using this in conjunction with my P90. There's a fantastic video that Ethan Leeds, naturopath of 35 years, did a little bit of a demo between this and some other wands. So yeah, take a look.
Showing you 3 of the most popular frequency healing wands, starting with my favorite. This one is the OlyLife wand, Vitality wand. And I'm going to show you something quite interesting. So this here is a little container with a little magnet in there. And I'm going to show you something. When you turn this wand on, hopefully you can see your little magnet is popping around like crazy. This is a Price one. This is the classic. This is the basic entry end wand, and if I take the magnet and I do the exact same, you've got a blue light and the magnet is not moving at all, even though I'm closer. No movement at all. I'm going to explain the significance of that in a minute. There's no back end cleaning or anything on that one either. As I say, it's the entry level. And this is the Pro Price wand. This is their top end one. Now this is retailing for around $4,500, so it's a lot of money. I'm going to show you the same little experiment. I'm going to take the magnet, try and get it visually, and then, and again, absolutely nothing going on with the magnet. Now let me explain a little bit about that. All 3 of these wands use terahertz for their healing power, but the OlyLife wand also has PEMF, which is an electromagnetic frequency, and it's the PEMF that's causing this magnet to go wild. The other two wands don't have it. So one of the reasons that this is my favourite, I don't even use the other wands anymore, the Pro wand or the Classic, because this is more powerful. It has two sets of frequencies. You can see the PMF on this, and PMF is awesome. Terahertz is also fantastic, but also price-wise. So the entry wand of Prive is $420, okay, compared to this one at $660. But this one is better than the Pro wand that's $4,500 at just $660.
Oh, and I forgot to tell you that this comes with the most amazing hard case. Check this baby out. So cool. So it's got its own little protection padding in there as well. It's amazing. So great little tool for detoxifying, reducing inflammation and reducing joint pain. Reach out if you want some more.
Well, thank you.